This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So you can either launch the dedicated Dolby Atmos app. Somewhere in here it should be pre-installed with the system itself, which means that, well, here it is. Which means that you will not have to separately download and install this app from the Play Store or any other third-party repositorium. So as you can see, there is the dedicated Dolby Atmos app, or you can actually launch it from Settings, Sound, and in here you'll have the Launch Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio app. And once at the app, all that it's left to do in order to activate the Dolby feature is to tap at this power button at the top right corner of your screen. Further, you can change the equalizer preferences or set the preset to be one of the ready to use for movie or music. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.